Hello, my name is Lidis Maria Mesa Cadena, English 7. In order to make what technology which had to make, first all we must what are our own was society with find ourselves in and what strategy was with necessary to use to chat really taking it to the is ethical and moral principles so that later the use of technology is not about values but by every day a support to raise human dignity. Our brains should not rival for our technology is with are wise and with knows how to use emotional intelligence such as not to fall so much in technological consumerism and the lack of criteria to analyze a mistake of news by that its application which help us organize organize ourselves to learn all new things and to improve our health communication. The correct use of technology prevents addiction to it, generate productive and well-being. The purpose of this summary is to make note how technology has advanced by leaps and bounds over time, making our brains no longer rivals as can be seen from the observation of Mr. Wilson, that the powerful device of the technology has increased dramatically while the ancient politic impulse of our brains had remained the same. However, this is not usually one of the complaints against technology companies today, but rather what the digital infrastructure of Facebook and Google had over the natural capacity of our brains. But imagine it what managed to sell the private uses is this new utopia, which will reach the hours of all day and the technological giants will be provided from the charging of wearables online. That is they will only have access to data agreed to hers, while with many shopping create at the face leaks paranoids about online surveillance and privacy. This remains unaddressed. Simply put, technology as the, our brains, the ability to take the world most pressing challenges. Also, we are the only species capable now to identify the mismatch that exists between our brains and the technology with use. Finding to create at human technology with most think deeply about human nature, which means think about more the privacy. That is the only way to make peace with technology is to make peace with ourselves. Thank you very much.